Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number, and the first one is using directly your contact list and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contacts. Let's open it, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and now we have to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the option block number, so let's tap, and of course your device will ask you if you really want to block this number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option, and if you're ready, simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got the info, we've got also this characteristic icon, which means that from now on this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and the second way to block a number is using the settings, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. As you can see, in the general section we've got the blocked numbers, so let's tap, and here we've got our blacklist. This is the list, this is the number actually which we've just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. We've blocked it successfully, and here from the step we can add a number manually, so we do not have to have it saved. So just tap on add a number, and as you can see right here we can simply enter it. So let's tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see it will immediately appear right here also. What's more, we've got the unknown option, and after tapping on this switcher you will activate this option, so your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers, so that's quite cool. Of course you can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.